Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to open a bank account online on Scotiabank. So, let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for Scotiabank opening account and click on Open a bank account over here. Now, we can see various options of bank accounts here, so let's click on this one. Now, simply click on Apply as a new customer. Now, we need to enter our details here. At first, we need to enter our personal details, that is, our title, first name, last name, phone number, and email address. We need to tick mark on all of this to confirm the terms and conditions and simply click on Continue. After this, we need to enter all the details like our contact details, employment details, and identification details. After which, we also need to provide our identity for the verification. Once all the details and the verification process are completed, finally, our account will be created. So, that is all we can do to open a bank account online on Scotiabank. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.